Today I'll just be using a pencil and a yellow highlighter to take notes on the concept or the idea of fractions as division. Fractions as division. So make sure you have your pencil or pen and a yellow highlighter or crayon. Let's dig in. Every fraction can be represented or written. I'm just going to write the word represented. Every fraction can be represented as a division problem. Also, every division problem can be represented as a fraction. Every division problem can be represented as a fraction. Let's highlight our key words. In the first sentence, I'm going to highlight fraction, represented, and division. And then the second, I'm going to highlight division, represented, and fraction. So let's take a look at a fraction as an example. I'm going to write the fraction 5/3. Now you know that what that means is our wholes have been cut into 3 pieces and we have 5 of them. This fraction is greater than 1. This top number here, the 5, what do we call this? The top number in a fraction is called the numerator. It tells us how many we have when we're thinking about fractions as parts of a whole. So this is the numerator, and in a division problem, it's also the dividend. The 5 is the numerator and it's the dividend. Now what about the 3? In a fraction, we call the 3 a denominator. Let's go ahead and label that denominator. Let's label our 3 denominator. D-E-N-O-M-I-N-A-T-O-R. And yes, I do spell it when I write it. I am not great at spelling, so. It's also the divisor in a division problem. The numerator is the dividend and the denominator is the divisor. Now remember, you can go back and review the video I made about division vocabulary. Now let's look at the line that separates them. We can call this a fraction bar. We can call this a fraction bar. But also, it represents division. So I call it the division line. That's not a technical term. So 5/3 equals 5 divided by 3 and it also equals 5 divided by 3 in long division form. Now in the next video, we'll explore some example problems and I will show you how it works. Remember, there's also an introduction video. This is just to get the notes down on the paper. It's not a deep explanation of the content of fractions as division. Thanks for watching.